Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Balinese style fish in coconut broth, or in Balinese we call it kuah pindang mesanten. Kuah pindang means fish stock and mesanten means with coconut milk. As we living near the sea in Gianyar area in Bali, we eat fish more often than chicken. And this is one of my very favorite soup. As always, served with rice. So let's start. First, I'm going to introduce you to all ingredients I will use later. So here I have 2 slices of mackerel, 500 ml of fresh water, 250 ml of chicken stock, 200 ml coconut milk, 5 garlic, 2 candle nut, 1.5 cm of lesser galangal or kencur. In Bahasa we call it kencur, and around 1 cm of turmeric, some chilies, and also here I have 2 salam leaves, 2 kaffir lime leaf, 2 lemongrass, 2 Bali hot pepper, 3 garlics, and 3 shallot. Later also we need vegetable oil, salt, and some fresh water. If you prepare the soup in a white color, please leave out the turmeric. The reason I add turmeric, that's because I would like my fish soup in a light yellow. So let's make it. First, I'm going to prepare the fish stock. This is absolutely essential to ensure we get the very best flavor. I'm start with adding the fish. 2 salam leaf, 500 ml fresh water, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm start with high heat until reach the boiling point. So now it's reached the boiling point. So let's turn down the heat into medium to low. Let it simmer for 12 until 15 minutes or until reduced into 300 ml. While we waiting this, let's prepare the yellow paste now. So I'm going to blend this garlic, turmeric, lesser galangal, and candle nut. Let's cut first into small pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh water. Blend it until smooth. Put it aside. And now, let's slice the shallot, garlic, and chili. Slice it thinly. If you don't like the spicy at all, you can skip the chili, and also you can change it into the big red chili. Let's put it aside, and now I'm going to brush the lemongrass. I use 2 lemongrass here. That's because they are quite small. If you have a bigger size, 1 is enough. Just slide it. So it's been 15 minutes and the fish stock is ready. Let's turn off the cooker. I will put it aside. Let's add the pan. Medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Wait until the oil get warm and add the shallot and garlic. So the oil is ready. Let's add the garlic and shallot. Add the chili and the yellow paste. Stir it. Add the lemongrass. Stir it for the 20 seconds. And add the fish stock and the fish. add the chicken stock. And also chilies. The reason why I add these chilies, that's because I like to eat chilies. This is optional. Put the high heat. Wait until reach the boiling point. And now add the coconut milk and 2 kaffir lime leaf. We cook this until it's reached the boiling point and we turn down the heat after that. So now it's ready. Let's turn off the heat. So let's plate it. So I'm going to slice the lime as a garnish, and also you can add the lime juice into the soup if you prefer to. Here we are, Balinese style fish in coconut broth. So let's try it. Here I have some steamed rice. I shape into pangkonan shape. So this is shape in my hometown. It's called pangkonan. And I'm going to try the soup first. Actually it's for me. It's not too spicy, and also the slightly sweet flavor came from the coconut milk, that you can taste the fish stock very strong with the salam leaf. That is a really perfect flavor mixed with the coconut. I think I try it again. I just love to eat this. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you in my next video. Matur suksema. Bye bye.